everybody, today I'm going to show you how a volcano erupts. This is all the things you need. This is baking soda. This is food coloring. This is dish soap. And this is vinegar. This is some water. First, put the baking soda inside the volcano. And then put the food coloring. And now put the dish soap.
Some more. More.
And now put the vinegar.
Here
It goes.
more vinegar.
Wow. It is already coming out.
Some more vinegar. Okay, enough.
The volcano already erupted.
Hello friends! Today, me and my brother Raghav is going to do a volcano eruption. We will need these stuff to make the volcano erupt. First of all, you need a volcano, and then you need baking soda, vinegar, dishwasher, food coloring, and water. Here it goes.
First,
Put the baking soda in, and then put the food coloring in. And then put the dishwasher. You need a lot of dishwasher. Finally, put vinegar. It's gonna erupt. Add a little bit more. Look, it's erupting.
Wow.
Isn't it amazing, guys? It's erupting so beautifully.